Plant FAQs. Aglaonema B.J. Freeman. Aglaonema B.J. Freeman, your guide to the low-maintenance beauty. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm a huge fan of easy care houseplants. Today, I want to introduce you to the Aglaonema B.J. Freeman, a stunning foliage plant that thrives on neglect. What is the Aglaonema B.J. Freeman? The Aglaonema B.J. Freeman is a cultivar of the Chinese evergreen, a genus of flowering plants in the Araceae family. Native to Southeast Asia, these beauties are known for their vibrant, glossy leaves that come in a variety of patterns and colors. The B.J. Freeman variety boasts a unique combination of deep greens splashed across large, silvery leaves, making it a real eye-catcher in any room. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. Why choose the Aglaonema B.J. Freeman? Let's face it, not everyone has a green thumb. But that shouldn't stop you from enjoying the benefits of houseplants. The Aglaonema B.J. Freeman is perfect for those who lead busy lives or simply don't have a lot of time to dedicate to plant care. Here's why it should be your next leafy companion. Low light tolerance. Unlike many houseplants that crave bright, indirect sunlight, the B.J. Freeman thrives in low light conditions. This makes it ideal for offices, bathrooms, or any corner that doesn't get a lot of natural light. Easy watering. Forget about complicated watering schedules. The B.J. Freeman prefers to dry out slightly between waterings. Simply stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Low maintenance. This plant is a champion of low maintenance. It doesn't require frequent feeding. Repotting only becomes necessary every few years, and it's generally pest and disease resistant. Aglaonema B.J. Freeman versus other popular houseplants. While the B.J. Freeman is a superstar in its own right, you might be curious how it compares to other popular houseplants. Here's a quick breakdown. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Both are low-light tolerant and require minimal watering. However, the snake plant offers a more upright, architectural form, while the B.J. Freeman has a bushier, more compact growth habit. ZZ plant, Zemiocolca zemifolia, is similar to the B.J. Freeman in terms of light and watering needs. The ZZ plant boasts glossy, dark green leaves, but it lacks the stunning variegation of the B.J. Freeman. Pothose, Epipremnum aureum, a popular choice for trailing plants. Pothose thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys consistent moisture. So, it requires a bit more attention compared to the low-maintenance B.J. Freeman. How to care for Aglaonema B.J. Freeman. Even though the B.J. Freeman is easygoing, there are still a few basic care tips to keep it happy and thriving. Light. Provide low to bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Allow excess water to drain freely from the pot. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, the B.J. Freeman appreciates moderate humidity. You can group it with other plants or use a humidifier to increase the moisture level around it. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer. Withhold fertilizer during fall and winter. Troubleshooting common problems. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Check your watering habits and adjust accordingly. Move the plant to a location with lower light if necessary. Yellowing leaves. Similar to brown leaves, yellowing can be due to watering issues or lack of light. Ensure proper watering and provide sufficient indirect light. Pests. While uncommon, the B.J. Freeman can be susceptible to mealybugs or scale. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Conclusion. The Aglaonema B.J. Freeman is a beautiful and low-maintenance houseplant that's perfect for beginners and experienced plant parents alike. With its stunning variegated foliage and easygoing nature, it's sure to add a touch of life and elegance to any space. So, if you're looking for a plant that practically takes care of itself, the B.J. Freeman is the perfect choice for you.